kids. Today we are starting with a new topic in our math subject, and the topic's name is money. Children, in this topic we are going to learn about how to identify the coins and the notes, then how to add them. As we add numbers, we can also add money, and we are going to find out different kinds of price and rates of the product which is shown. So let's get started, children. The money used in a country is called its currency. Different types of coin were used in the olden days as shown. So children, each and every country has its own currency. So in India, the currency which we use is called as rupee. What it is called as? Rupee. And we write rupees as shown in the picture. So children, in olden times, people used to make coin with bronze or silver. So like that, now we also use those metals to make coins. Now let's see different kinds of coins and notes which is there in India. So today we are going to learn about Indian currency, children. Okay? Coins. So we have 1 rupee coin, we have 2 rupees coin, we have 5 rupee coin, and we have 10 rupees coin. So all these coins you have seen, right, children? Mama must have given you 1 rupee to buy a chocolate, or 2 rupees to buy a pencil, then 5 rupees and 10 rupees to buy bigger things, which is useful for us. Then here are some notes also, children. So there are 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees notes, then 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees, and 2000 rupees. So children, these are different kinds of notes which are available in India. So children, we use these notes to buy things. And even you must all have seen such notes. At least till 50 rupees you must all have seen such notes. So there was 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, and 10 rupee coins. We have only 4 coins, children. And in notes we have 10 rupee notes, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 500 rupees note, and 2000 rupees note. So these are the coins and notes which are available in our country. What is the currency called of Indian country? Rupee. Very good. Use money to buy the things we need. The value of good is called their rate or price. So हम जब दुकान में जाते हैं और हम मांगते हैं अंकल एक पेंसिल देना, तो अंकल बोलते 3 रुपया या 2 रुपया, तो वो पेंसिल का जो मनी वैल्यू है वो है 2 रुपीस या 3 रुपीस. तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं हम इंग्लिश में? रेट बोलते हैं या प्राइस बोलते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो हियर आर फ्यू एग्जाम्पल. लेट्स सी दोज एग्जाम्पल in which a pot is there, a sharpener is there, a chocolate bar is there, and a ball is there. So children, the first one is done for you. Rupees 5 और rupees 50. So एक pot का value कितना है? 5 रुपया हो सकता है वो pot? नहीं. So it is 50. So first one is ticked for you. Second one, a sharpener. Tell me, एक sharpener 30 रुपया में मिल सकता है या 3 rupees में मिलेगा? 3 rupees. So the second amount is 3 rupees. So sharpener का price कितना था? 3 rupees. Then the next one is a chocolate bar. A big chocolate bar. So वो 1 rupee में मिलेगा या 10 rupees में मिलेगा? Yes, it is 10 rupees chocolate bar. Then the last one is a ball. A ball can we get in a 2 rupees price? No, the price of a ball is 20 rupees. So children, each and every object has its own price or rate. So whenever you go to the shopkeeper, first always notice to ask the price, and then you can buy according to the money which you have. Now let's see addition of money, children. Money is written in rupees and paise separated by a dot. We can take smaller amount of money together to make a larger amount. Just as we add two numbers, we can add money too. So we did addition with 2-digit and digit number. So like that, children, even with money we can do addition. So here is one example. Nina has these coins. 1 rupee coin she has, 2 rupees coin she has, and 10 rupees coin she has. How much money does she have in all? So नीना के पास पूरा पैसे कितने हैं वो हम ऐड करने वाले. To find the total amount of money, we add all the money Nina has. So नीना के पास 10 rupees coin, then 2 rupees coin and 1 rupee coin. So we are going to add the one side. That is 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. And we'll add the 10 side. 1 will straight away come down. So the total amount is 1 rupee coin plus 2 rupee coin plus 10 rupee coin is equals to 13 rupees. Nina has total 13 rupees with her. Here we'll see one more example. Ashok has 3 notes of 10 rupees and 2 coins of 10 rupees. How much money does he have in all? So he is 10 rupees, 3 notes and 2 coins of 10 rupees. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 and plus 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equals to 50. Here is the addition box also. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So one side is all full of zeros, so down also it will come as 0. Then the 10 side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. So total together which Ashok has is 50 rupees. Here we will see one more example, children. Rita wants to buy a pencil for rupees 3 and an eraser for rupees 4. How much money should she have? So, cost of a pencil is rupees 3 and cost of an eraser is rupees 4. So, total money is 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. So Rita should have at least 7 rupees to buy a pencil and an eraser. So children, with money we can even add. So always notice and remember that whenever you are going to a shopkeeper, always add your coins and don't get confused with them, and add each and everything and give the correct amount to the shopkeeper or the vendor. Okay children, I hope you all have understood the chapter. In this chapter we have learned about different types of coins and notes. So there are 4 different types of coins which we have in India. That is 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. So similar way we have many notes too, like 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, then we have 200 rupee note, then 500 rupees note and 2000 rupees note. Okay children, then we saw how to add them and we even learned about the price of each and every goods. Okay, so I hope you all have understood the lesson. Thank you, children.